How to recover deleted Facebook messages. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover deleted Facebook messages. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up your Facebook. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then go to the bottom right corner on your menu. Then tap on the settings icon on the top right. Now what you'll need to do is you will need to download your information. For that, you can head over to your account center. If you scroll down, you'll find your personal details. If you scroll down more, you'll find your information and permission. Here, you will see another option called download your information. Tap on download your information and tap on it again. After you tap on that, select your account, then tap on next. Then now you can choose specific type of information here. From here, choose messages. So let's search for messages, select that and tap on next. Then you can download this to your own device. You can select the date range as well. As you can see, you can choose custom dates or just let it set at default at 1 year. And yeah, you can choose the format as well and also the quality. After that, tap on create files and yeah, Facebook will start creating files, and whenever the file is ready, they will send you a notification and you can download it from right here. And that's basically it. And that's how you can recover deleted Facebook messages. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.